Hi, I'm Kevin Tracy, owner of Twin Air Aviation, and today I'm featuring this amazing 1976 Turbo 310. It's probably the best example of a Turbo 310 that I've ever seen. It's been maintained to the highest standards, always flown by a professional multi-thousand-hour pilot owner, and it has no damage history, and it's always been hangared. This beautiful airplane has a Ram 300 horsepower upgrade and only 681 hours on the engines. It has Hatso Q-tip props, air conditioning, GAMI fuel injection, oxygen system, microvortex generators, and full de-ice. The panel includes an Aspen 1000, Garmin 750 WAS, Garmin audio panel and transponder, has a JPI EDM 750 engine monitor, and an RDR 1000 radar, and many other features that are just too numerous for me to mention. Call me at 603-494-9700 or email me at kevin@twinairaviation.com to learn more. Thanks for watching.